Alright guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to private a video on your YouTube channel. If you're having a video that you don't want to go out to people, you don't want to be public to people, to your audience. So I'm going to show you how you can hide it from being seen by your audience on this quick video here. So the first thing you want to do though is you want to go to your channel here, and this is my channel here, and these are my videos. So now let's say I want to hide this video right here. And just go here on your profile and click on it. And right here, you want to go to YouTube Studio. So you want to click on YouTube Studio. From there, you can edit your videos. So right here on the YouTube Studio, you want to scroll down here and you want to go to videos. So from there, it's where all your videos are situated. It is where you can edit your videos. So these are my video right here. So from here I can edit my video, and I can also have access to all of them right here. So this is the video that I want to private from being seen from my audience. So now to hide this video here, I can just click on this area here, details, or I can go from here. So let's say I want to hide it. I can just click on this here. So I want to private it. I can just click here. So that is gonna private the video. It's gonna hide it from this from others. Another thing you can do is you can unlist it from this area here. So if you unlist it, you go to hide from being seen by audience. You can also publish it here. So if you want to publish it, you can just click here. So from this box here, you can private your video, you can unlist it or publish it right here. So let me quickly show you the second round. So that's the first method. Let me show you the second method. So let's say I want to go from here. Let me just click inside this area here. So in this page here, you can edit the title here. Here you can edit the description here. Here you can add thumbnail here. And here you can add tags and so on and so forth. So if you want to hide the post, if you want to hide the video, you can just go here and you see the box again. So here you can private it, you can unlist it, publish it. So now it is unpublished, it is published. So now let's private it. So right there, private. So now it is private. So when you finish, you want to scroll down here and click done. So when you click done, that's going to take you to this area. So you also want to click save. So when you click save, it's going to private the video from your channel. So if you want to undo the changes, you can just click undo the change. So if you click undo the changes, you're going to undo the changes that you just add right now. So guys, that's how you can add a YouTube video on your YouTube channel. So guys, if you guys have any question, have anything to say about this video, please let me know in the comment area down below. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.